بعد شام تو رو.
Hello to you, my dear friends, and our ever-supportive companions. You have probably seen or heard the news about the events that happened in Iran, news that saddened and affected all of us. But here you see glimpses of everyday life in Iran that rarely appear in the news. Life today has become harder than before. These days, most people don't live with big hopes. They move forward with small hopes and try every day, even when they know the circumstances are not easy. Hope that this month will pass without problems. Hope that tomorrow they won't hear bad news. Hope that prices won't rise any further. In these streets, life still goes on. Men and women start their work early in the morning and face tough conditions every day. A man opens his shop every morning, even if he isn't sure he will make any sales. He turns on the lights and hopes for a good day. A girl goes to her workplace, even if her income is not enough to cover her expenses. She works hard to manage her own life and her family's life. A father checks his bills repeatedly. The numbers don't add up, but he will try again tomorrow and will not lose hope. Everyone knows life is not easy. Expenses rise faster than income, and daily life has become harder. Plans have been shortened, shopping is limited, and many desires are postponed to an uncertain future. Yet, people still wake up in the morning, work, help each other, and stand together. When someone struggles, another person helps. This usually goes unseen, but it exists, and life continues. Here, hope is not like a dream. Hope is like carrying on, like silent resilience, like drinking tea after a hard day, like a brief smile amidst worries and saying, it will get better, even without full certainty. Life has become harder. Some things are lost, and many plans have been postponed. But people have not retreated. They have become more cautious, but not stopped, and they continue to try every day. They still plan for tomorrow, even if the plans are small and simple. And perhaps that is what keeps hope alive. Not loud, not grand, but real. Life goes on despite all the hardships, and people still smile because they have learned that even when circumstances are unkind, they can remain kind. They have learned to continue and to still live.
Go.
People here still work, shop, and strive to support their families. They face difficulties every day, yet they keep moving forward. Every morning starts again. Every evening doesn't mean the end. Life goes on, and people keep trying. Hope is sometimes small, but even this small hope keeps life going and gives people energy. People still take action, remain kind, and continue helping one another.
غیر از چیز بی‌مصرف رو در
گفتم برو اگه زده چشام تو رو رفتی و الان یه سال شد و نیستی که ببینی